Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for joining. I'm Des, and just so you know, your girl's gone shopping. So guys, I thought I'd do a bit of a shopping haul today. I went shopping the other day. We're going into winter soon, and I'm just loving the whole like baggy trend, baggy, cozy, oversized jerseys, all of that kind of stuff. I know we are last season, guys. We're in South Africa. We're only having our winter now. That's like last season in Europe or America or whatever. But just give us a chance, okay? We also want the big oversized jerseys, cozy, big fluffy jerseys. Oh, I can't wait for winter. So yeah, I went shopping, I went on a shopping spree, got some stuff, and I thought that I'd show you a little bit and see what you like and what you don't like. Guys, I also just need to tell you that Hayden hates the whole baggy trend. Every time I'm wearing something baggy, like baggy jeans or a t-shirt or whatever, he's like, no man, no, you're not 13 or whatever. So he does not like it. But luckily, I'm a strong, independent woman who doesn't need the approval of her husband or anybody for that matter. So we're gonna ignore what he thinks and we're gonna use the baggy clothes anyway. Okay guys, as I said, I like this whole baggy trend, but I don't necessarily like baggy on baggy. I like when you're like wearing a baggy shirt and with like pairing it with like tight pants or something like that, you know, so that it balances out. Or if you're wearing like tracksuit pants with like a tight vest or something like that. I like that whole balance and the layering and just having a baggy shirt with like diamond earrings. I love that. I love like the things that you don't think should go. That's the trend. I love it. I love it. And I love that everything's cozy, everything's comfy. I'm loving this trend at the moment and I can't wait to show you what I got. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first. I've been wanting to get like a cropped puffer vest, but a sleeveless one and a beige one specifically. I was on my way in Sandton. I was on my way to go to H&M for my shopping spree, and I passed Foschini and I saw a cropped beige sleeveless puffer vest, and I was like, hey. So I got the puffer vest from Foschini, but then, guys, I went to H&M and I saw a beige cropped sleeveless puffer vest as well.
Say what?
So now I was confused at that time, okay? But I decided, let me also get the H&M one, okay? Let me come home, try both of them on at the same time, compare them side by side, and then I can see which one I like more. Makes sense, right? I thought that would be the best way of doing it. So I'm gonna try the Foschini one first, which I like this color, guys. I really like this color. And this is basically what I've been looking for. I love it. Uh-oh. How's this gonna work with the mic? Okay, well, we're just gonna take you away quickly. I've got a mirror there. If I don't look at you, you know why. I love this. I love it. I love the short vest, puffer vest that you put on with you pair with a long top, an oversized t-shirt, or maybe even like a oversized, hoodie or something like that. I think that would be super cool. I'm loving it. And I'm loving the beige babe thing also. I've always been a beige babe, so I've always been in fashion. Love this puffer vest. Let's check out the H&M one. Guys, I think I like the H&M one a bit more. Because it's shorter. The color, I like the other one, the color more. The Foschini's one, that one's color was a little bit nicer, but this one's shorter. And I feel like I like this one more. And this one's got pockets. Yeah, I think I like this one more. Let me try the other one on again and we see. I think I like the H&M one more, guys. Sorry to say. Do I? I don't know. This one doesn't have pockets. Let's circle back, okay? We're gonna circle back to this decision. Okay guys, then I also got some high-waisted mom jeans. I wanted a high-waisted jean and I'm hoping it looks good. Let's try it out. Guys, I'm loving these jeans. I wanted high-waisted jeans, so I think they make you, it's like quite flattering. I don't think my husband would have a problem with this one at all. It's not that baggy. Let me put on a top that I bought and then we'll go and ask him. You're just in time, buddy. What do you think of this outfit? Whoops. What do you think? What do you think of the jeans? It's not bad, eh? And the toppy? We got him to approve, thank goodness, but this is not the baggy stuff that I told you he doesn't like. My other clothes he might not like, but doesn't matter. We won't show him those. Okay guys, I'm loving these jeans and I like this top. Cute high-waisted jeans or pants or anything with a crop top, I love. Love the fashion, love the trend. I got another cropped t-shirt as well. It's a little bit more baggier. This one's tighter. Let's see what the other one looks like. Okay, then here we've got another little cropped t-shirt. Love with the high-waisted jeans. I love these t-shirts that have like this graphics on it. That t-shirt that I had on when the video first started, that's also an H&M t-shirt, guys. So you can see that I like these t-shirt, H&M graphic t-shirts, but that wasn't, that I got like last year. It wasn't this shop. So, love. Keeping. Okay, then I got another oversized t-shirt, graphic, AC/DC baby. Hayden said, do you even know any AC/DC songs? It's irrelevant. It's the shirt that I like. This I would wear with like some black biker shorts or something like that. Get it? The oversized shirt with the tight pants. But it's cute with the jean too. Just tuck it in. Guys, I also got some socks as well, but I'm not going to try them on. You don't need to see them. I love these high socks. Cool. Okay, guys, now we're getting into the winter jerseys, the winter clothes, and I'm already hot. This is a cute little cropped jersey that I got. Maybe I would wear it like this. Oh yeah, I love that. I love that. But it's hot. Let me change. Guys, I wanted to try this jersey on with this jacket. I love it. I love it. Ah, let's try it with the Foschini one and see which one works better. I like the other one more, guys. I do. This one's not as cropped, so it doesn't give the same feel. I've made the decision. We're doing the H&M one. I like the H&M jacket more, especially with this outfit. Oh, what are the prices, by the way? H&M is $329, and it's $499 for the Foschini one. Okay, that settles it. I'm definitely going with the H&M one, and it's got pockets, so definitely going with that one, with this one. I love it. Whee! Sorry, Foschini. Okay, guys, I love this big jersey. This is like winter cozy. Oh, I love it. Oversized jerseys are my favorite at the moment. Just look how cute. Okay, that's not cute. Oh, I love it. Love the jersey, it's like a thick, chunky one. I love it. Oh my gosh, guys. This is like my favorite of them all. Oh, I love it. I love this jersey, I really do. It's like super chunky. Like this is like really, really good quality. I love this. This is my favorite. I'm very excited for winter. Guys, I'm gonna like live in this in winter. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is like a matching, like, what do you call this? Like a lounge set. I don't know. What I love about it is it's like short on the top and then it like goes longer at the back. So it covers all the bits that you need it to cover. I love this. And it's like, check this material. I don't know if you can see it, but guys, it's like so soft. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm literally gonna wear this the whole winter. This is like when you're lying on the couch watching movies and it's cold outside, you're under a blanket. This is this outfit. That's all the H&M stuff. I also did a Superbalist shop. I don't even remember what I bought. I got this jersey, guys, but I can already tell that I don't like it. Not that I don't like it, it's nice. It's just like compared to the H&M stuff that I was wearing now. Let me see. It's dress. Let's put it on. Okay, I love this dress. I love it. Very, very cool. It's 3/4 sleeve though, so I think in winter I might get a little bit cold. I'll have to put something underneath it. So with maybe some tights or some stockings or something, but I love this. Could also, I need to get some like black boots, guys. But I could also wear it with my loafers or something. Let's see. Oh, I love that. I love that. But for winter, I'm gonna need to use like black stockings and jacket. Love. Also, guys, look at my hair. Like, putting all these jerseys on and off is like ruining my hair. And then we've got another dress. Whoopsie. Another dress. I think that's all I got from Superbalist, so dresses really. But this is a short sleeve and it's super long. Okay, let's try it out. I quite like it. Okay guys, this is obviously like super creased, but I actually really love it. I love it. I thought it was going to be a bit too long, but look at it. I love it. What's better, this one? Rolled up or not? I love it. I really do. It's got pockets. It's got pockets. No, I love it. This is actually really, like I thought it was going to be thin. It's really not. It's actually really, it's like a nice thick material. I love it. Okay, but not for winter though. But you can wear a coat with this. A nice long coat. Guys, what I want to get is like one of those teddy coats. I really want a teddy coat, a beige teddy coat. Can I find one? Please let me know where I can get one. Oh, I love this. Ah! Also short sleeve. Guys, I'm supposed to be doing a winter shop. I have to hold here because otherwise they won't let me put whatever on YouTube. Guys, I like it. I like it. I'm just going to have to wear something underneath it. Maybe like a cute white collar top or something. Yeah. With beige boots. Or my other piece that I bought there. That I'll show last because that's going to be my favorite. But I like this. I actually like it. I like the pattern. It's also woolly, so nice and short sleeve, but you can wear a top underneath. Maybe white polo neck or white collar top, as I said, with some stockings and some boots. I love. Guys, then this is the last thing I bought from Superbalist. I love this. It's also nice and chunky, nice thick quality. Oh, I love it. I love it. This is a winter dress. And I'm going to pair it with my... I got Uggs. I'm so excited. Okay. Let me put these on for y'all. I love them. Hayden says they look like slippers that you wear to bed. I love them. And look how nice, and oh, they're so nice and fluffy inside. Oh, this is going to be the best for winter, guys. They're just quite tight to put on at the moment. I'm sure that will stretch. Like seriously, I can't get them on. Okay, there we go. Oh, I love these pants. I love them. These are going to be my new favorite shoes. Why are they so tight to put on? Oh my gosh. Guys, I love these shoes. I love them and they're so comfy. So like, I can't wait for winter. I really can't wait for winter. And I love this dress. It's like the sleeves are nice and bulky. I like them. Huh. I like my shop. I think I did a good job. I'm gonna keep everything except that jersey from Superbalist. This one. I mean, it's okay, but I like my other jerseys more. And this is a bit more like orange, not orangey, but it's got like an orangey tinge to it, you know? Not really tan. I don't know. I'm just gonna take it back because I love my other jerseys more. I love them. And I'm not feeling love. I like it, but I'm not loving it. So that one's going back. Everything else I'm keeping. I love it. Oh, and the Fushini puffer jacket's going back too. Sorry. I love the trend. I love the fashion. I love this. I love. Okay, guys, that's the end of this Superbalist / H&M / UGG haul. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I definitely had a great time. I think I did a good job with my shopping. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite outfit was, or you know, if you have any good tips on where I can find some cute little, I need a beige teddy jacket. I want a black puffer, also cropped jacket, long one, long sleeve. I need more I need another pair of jeans, I think. And I need like tights. I don't buy any pants, I realize. I bought one pair of jeans. So I definitely need more pants. I think that will be it. Oh, and I need black ankle boots. Black ankle boots. So, you know, leave a comment. Let me know where I can find cute little items. Guys, I will see you again soon. I hope I gave you some good tips and showed you what's very cute at H&M, Superbalist and UGG. Bye!